Okay, let's review quiz number 17, a little Pro Tools review, a little bit of working with this studio here and then taking stuff upstairs. The first thing is that you should not run all of your Pro Tools sessions directly to a thumb drive plugged into the side of the computer. I've seen it work. There have been times that I've seen bad things happen. So I'd much rather you use our external spinning drive, have some kind of storage device that, particularly if you own it, that is not just a thumb drive that could not work. Now, we are running Pro Tools 10 down here. But in my office, I've got Pro Tools 8 for some of the mastering stuff and for a few of the old legacy plugins and hardware that we have. Now, if you are going from Pro Tools 10 to that Pro Tools 8, you need to do save copy in. All right, it's very important that you do that because Pro Tools 10 is doing stuff that Pro Tools 8 doesn't know how to do. So you kind of save Pro Tools 10 as a Pro Tools 8 file. It strips away that extra stuff that might get in the way, and then you can open it up in Pro Tools 8, do what we need to do, and then you can bring it back. Save copy in. The other thing is that will help you, and maybe it has already on some of your projects, if you're in the wrong sample rate. If you lost your audio files, I'll do that a lot of times where, right, maybe your vocals are down here, you got guitar tracks upstairs, you got something else somewhere else. If you can get it all so it can see everything at once, then we can make a save copy in, copy all the audio files, and that becomes your new main file, and you take care of that. So it's a useful tool to have in your bag of tricks. The preamps that we use over here, there's some in the board, there are also the external preamps. Their whole job is to take us from mic level, down here, using a microphone, mic level, up to line level. Okay, and I've talked about line level a lot. This is where we want to be, this is where we process things, this is where everything is designed to work at. Doing the headphone sensing here, you would much rather have it be pre-fader. Pre-fader, again, we're going to be able to mix things on the fly as they're recording, and it doesn't change anything in their headphones. They don't hear what we're doing, even though we're making it sound great for when they walk into the studio and say, wow, that sounds even better than when I sang it. And then the last thing is, once we've done our Pro Tools 8 things and we want to return to Pro Tools 10, you don't need to do anything in particular to transfer that file. You don't have to do another save copy in, rename, any of that stuff. Because we're in the future now, we know what happened in the past, and they were smart enough to make it so that the old version automatically can open up in the new version. Okay, so if you're going from a lower Pro Tools to a higher Pro Tools, you don't need to do anything special, just open it up and go. Okay, thank you very much, and one more.